Hey guys, I was just recording a Yellow series, but then the the I I ran out of space on my C drive, so I emptied my recycle bin. We're about to run this. Drink some water, drink some tea. I'm double fisting it right now. Pause. I love like drinking a hot drink and then washing it down with a cold drink, so I get like double drinks. But yeah, I was just playing the game. Oh, we queued a 1300. Yeah, I'm pretty rusty. Like as always, I'm always rusty because I don't play this fucking game. Yeah, but I'm playing bed fight instead. Yeah, that's pretty fun. I like bed fight. It's almost New Year's. Got my resolutions. I don't think resolutions are a very productive thing to do. Wait for the New Year's to get better, guys. Yeah, we have to wait in order to improve myself. But well, why not? It's a bit of a whimsy and joy. Why not? Like this guy's pretty good. He's like jumping and stuff, and he's like playing the game well, and he's like stuff. I was like I remember back then when I was like a kid, I would play this game like all day and stuff. I would click 6 CPS and not know how to W tap for like a year. No, I learned how to block it though, so that's good. This guy's actually legit, bro, and he's like 1300. That's impressive. Respect butted, respect butted. But maybe we could win. Hopefully I win. I barely fucking played this fucking game. This fucking game. This game sucks. Oh, that guy just predicted my pearl, bro. He's crazy. This crazy, bro. Shout out this, bro. Yo, bro, yo. Alright, yeah, we're gonna try to win this. I'm gonna win this. Bro, I feel like Beat Wad from like Aqua Teen Hunger Force. But I wanna watch. I've been watching like that a little bit, like 2 episodes I saw like a few days ago, like a week ago. It's pretty funny, but I just like, for some reason I just don't watch shows anymore. Like I've been watching like my friends like they want me to watch Vinland Saga, bro. I watched like season 1, season 2. I watched a few like episodes in, and then I just stopped watching things altogether. And then I started watching Smiling Friends instead. And then like that's like pretty much all I've watched for the past like 2 or 3 years. Oh, I hit that pearl though like crazy. I think I lose this though. GG, GG. Oh man, oh man, oh be oh bye, oh be oh bye, bad boo. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Alright, we queued this guy. He's a 170 MS. It's gonna be a pretty difficult fight, but we're gonna try, bruh. I'm like, yeah. It's been a while since I did commentary, like actual commentary, not late at night. I'm the only one in the house right now, so I could do this without feeling weird. This guy's shitting on me. Ooh, Did I make the comeback? I think I made the comeback, guys. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Got that comeback. W comeback, guys. W comeback. Nom nom nom. You know, I'm using Lego Legits pack. He's a pretty good guy. He's cool. He's awesome. I remember when I was like it's been 6 years since I started playing this game. No, not 6 yet. It's been 5. It's almost 6. Holy yo, it's gonna be 6 in like a few months. Started playing like summer 2019. You know, I played on Velt first. Playing on Velt. No players on that. I was wondering why, and because I didn't know, you know, which servers to play on, because I was watching videos from too long ago. I'm pretty sure this is JP2K because of the playstyle, but I could be wrong. Yeah, JP is not very good at block hitting and stuff. Oh my gosh, I'm getting walled. I'm gonna get pearled on. Brazilian style. You know what I'm saying? I went to LARP as a Eastern European. Like, they're just so cool. I love Eastern Europe. Besides the racism. No. Not besides the racism. Bro, when I was like 14, I would just do push-ups and play Minecraft all day. And like, I would do any other exercises, just push-ups. And it was like really fun. I'll play Osu too. That was fun too. I love Osu. Probably speed. I show speed. Yeah, you didn't expect that one, did ya? Huh? Yeah, you didn't expect that one, did ya? Huh? Oh fuck! Come on. My last dollar. My child wants my last dollar. Bro. Oh my gosh. Yo, I made a Twitter earlier. I still barely use it, but... Come here! Yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead. Ah! I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. GG. GG. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Carfy. You cute Carfy. Carfy. I've seen this guy on Minecraft Hypixel Duos. I'm pretty sure that's the same person. Bro. Take His. I love Take His. That guy was telling me about, you know, Harfy, you know, a year ago. And then, yeah, that guy's pretty funny. Sending me like videos of Harfy, like doing Harfy stuff, you know, like shout out Harfy. Oh my god, yo, I'm pooping on this guy right now. He like pooped on me and then I pooped on him, you know what I'm saying? It's like we're like the Scat Warriors, you know? Or like, it's like one of those, you know. I don't fucking... Oh man. You know, I think I'm pretty much winning this fight. You know, this guy's just has really bad aim. And I just get shit on after I say that. Yeah. This guy has good movement though. Good movement. Like good movement in combos. Shout out movement people who do movement stuff. You know, so big and fat. I feel like I'm just out CPSing this guy. I'm not even clicking that fast right now, bro. Like, I should have eaten. Why didn't I eat? I'm actually stupid. I mean, I got it though. Come on, Carfy. Bro, like, Minecraft people have, like, really similar usernames, bro. Like, Parvana and Panara. I always, like, mess those guys up, bro. Shit crazy. Watch, I'm gonna do the funniest pearl ever. Boom, boom, boom. They know that. Come on. Bro, okay, I want that. You know, we're pretty high elo right now, you know. Drinking tea. Raspberry Thriller. Might get me another cup after this. You know, I ran out of chocolate milk today. I drank all my chocolate milk. So I need to go to the store and get some more chocolate milk later. Yeah. No, I think that's enough. That's enough ELO series, I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty bored. It's only been 12 minutes. I'm gonna record another one later, I don't